Ramses, say hello.
Oh,
hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you are new here, welcome. Today we are in Agadir, Morocco, and we are visiting CrocoParc. Yeah, CrocoParc?
Yes.
Yeah, we're visiting CrocoParc. We've heard a lot about this park and we are so excited to go see what's back there. So we're gonna take you guys along with us. So
Lots of crocodiles.
come on back. Ramses, did you say hi? Did you say hi, Ramses? Nope.
Nope. Like,
Dada,
nope.
say hi to the vlog. And Satai's already enjoying the croco mouth over there. So yeah, let's go on back and see what's going on. Satai!
I'm trying to climb up here.
Trying to climb up here?
Yes.
In the croco mouth? You're in the croco mouth, Satai? Hello. Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
You can have the pushing chair for the baby.
Oh, we can have a stroller?
It's free.
Okay, thank you. You want a stroller?
You want a
Ramses?
stroller?
Yeah, maybe we should use a stroller. We're always walking around with you. Thank you.
You want a stroller?
You can take the stroller. Oral is just checking us in. We have to buy tickets, of course, so I'll wait for him and then we'll walk back. Right, Ramses? What do you want to say, Ramses? Ramses, do you want to go in the stroller? Ramses, why are you making that face? Alright guys, I'll see you guys shortly. Alright, here we go. That's the restaurant, CrocoParc restaurant sign. Alright guys, let's go this way. So this is our first stop. Let's see if we see any croco. Oh my goodness, look! Tons and tons. Jeez, these are gigantic. I hope you guys can see. Let me get a little bit closer. Let me get a little bit closer. Ramses, can you see?
There's crocodiles.
Can you see through this little hole? Look. Look at the crocodiles.
Wow, you were right, Mommy. You're not scared.
No, I'm not scared, but oh my goodness, look at this. Are they sleeping?
No, they're just sunbathing.
Oh, they're sunbathing, Satai?
Yeah, and they're protecting their eyes from the sun because they have no other way to protect their eyes, so they just close their eyes.
Okay, wow.
These are some big Nile crocodiles.
Yeah. These are so big and
They're
their
huge.
teeth
You know,
are...
people eat crocodile.
Yeah.
You could eat it,
No, I don't mind.
but people eat it.
Okay. But nobody can get it from here.
Wow.
These crocodiles are so
Look like kids are on a school trip. Kids are on a school trip back there. Satai, come, you want to join the kids? More croco.
Okay, let's run to them. Let's run to them. Run to them. No.
Look at that big one.
Wow.
One is there. Look, one is over there.
These are giant croco.
Wow.
Tons of crocodile.
Man, there's hundreds of them.
Yeah.
These are not
Hundreds and
small.
hundreds, maybe over 1,000.
Yeah, maybe 10 million.
What we see so far, yeah. These are giant. Oh my freaking god, look here. Oh my god.
These are absolute giant.
These are giant. We are so close. I don't even want to talk too loud. I'm scared I'll just jump up. Look at that.
See, you're scared.
I'm not. I'm a little bit. scared?
Stop them from cutting up.
Oh my god. Yeah, the mesh, right?
Yeah.
Because they could jump up. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Caesar right there.
That's crazy. Wow.
You're scared, mommy. Told you she was scared, Dada.
I am a little. I'm not scared if I'm up here, but I'm scared if I supposed to go too close to them.
Look at the.
These are giants.
These are giant crocodiles.
Giant.
Look how fat that one is right there.
Oh my god, I like that one. More crocodile.
Mommy,
This is a Crocoparc. That's
Yep.
all Nile crocodile. Nile crocodile, all Nile crocodile. These are some big
Wow.
ass crocodiles.
Take a really close look, you guys.
Look at that fat
really
one right
close
there.
look.
look at that fat one right there.
Wow.
But when we went to Mexico, we went into the park. Remember we went into the
Yeah,
thing?
we were really, really close to them.
No, we went in. Yeah, we went.
Yeah.
Into.
They weren't this big though in Mexico.
No, those are like
No,
human size.
they were not this
These
big.
are Nile crocodiles.
Oh, look at that one. Setai. Look, that one is moving.
Yeah.
The one closest to the water. It's probably going in to cool off.
They're so fat. But they feed them.
I know, I'm wondering.
Chicken.
Like so
Chicken?
many scales are on them.
I should ask the guide what they feed them.
They feed
Where are we
them.
going back this way?
No, we're going that way.
Okay.
They feed them
Very
fish.
green inside here. It's very nice.
Yeah.
We just went here to have a Ramses.
Yeah, I know. We've always
Oh my God.
been carrying Ramses like by hand or just walking.
Look, mommy, look.
The guy's like, oh, you can use the stroller. Woo! Oh my God, Setai, this one is even closer. Oh, oh, look at this one right here, right underneath the fence.
They make it up here close to it.
Yeah. I can't imagine if this one gets up. I'm pretty sure it could go over the fence. No?
Oh
my God. Up there, yeah, I see. That one like it just came out of the water. Can you see he's wiggling his tail over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, his tail looked wet like it just came out. Oh my God, and look here, that one is hanging in the water.
Black and brown.
We're like so close to them.
They got a
Sheesh.
restaurant and everything here.
Yeah, I
Okay,
saw the
one-
sign out front. Yeah, parking.
Oh my gosh, mommy, look. Look, mommy,
Huh?
look. Those two crocodiles are in the water.
Yeah.
Crocodile only mate in the water. Look.
Hmm?
Crocodile only mate in the water. Their ovaries, their female lay eggs in the sun or nest. A plant debris doesn't incubate the egg but remain close to protect them. Months later, the baby are born. They are mature 3 cm and weigh 50 to 80 grams.
Okay,
now
so
you know.
3 months later, so the baby crocodile takes 3 months later to be born after the egg is laid.
Wow.
Yeah, so
Remains close to the protect them. 3 months later, babies were born. They measured 30 centimeter, 50 to 80. Man, that's huge. 50 to 80. Big babies.
babies in the first week, the one aunt frog.
The female protects and tries to keep the babies out of danger. In the first weeks, the little ones start hunting and eat only on insects, frogs, and fish. Oh, wow. Oh, sorry.
There's a place that you can look.
Yeah,
Birds.
the glass. Those birds.
Oh my gosh, one's on the scale right there.
Huh?
Mommy, look, one's on the scale right there.
Where?
It's right there.
Oh, yeah.
I think its eyes open.
My goodness.
Oh my gosh. The another one is open his mouth.
Yeah, that one has his mouth open.
Look at the big fat one right there.
Look, that one has his mouth
Oh my
open
gosh,
right there,
mommy.
guys.
Be careful because it's not comfortable. Oh my gosh, mommy, look at that flower.
The different motion modes.
Well,
On the ground, they seem to drag, but can in high position move very quickly and even gallop over short distances.
Wow.
See, I can't go too close to them.
Leave it. Don't leave him.
Ramses, are you enjoying CrocoParc? I think you may have to lift him out so he could see.
No, if you lift him out, then he's gonna change his mood.
But I don't think he's seen them yet.
He saw them.
No, I don't think so.
He did see, yeah, he did.
I don't think so.
He did.
Look through this hole, Ramses. Come.
He saw the other.
Oh my gosh, mommy.
You saw them? I said nothing. I don't believe you saw them. You just said something.
Mommy.
Ramses, look. You say you can't see. Look all the way over there. Look.
Don't get
Through
too
Ramses'
close
eyes.
because they can jump up.
He's not seeing. Look. You see them, Ramses?
Don't.
Satai found a cozy little spot to sit down.
Yeah, and take a break.
Take a break? Yeah, Satai's taking a little break. Satai's taking a little break.
Yeah, but
He do stuff at his own time.
Ramses.
hey, mommy.
You say not to record you, Ramses?
Yeah.
Mommy.
Yes,
Let's
baby.
go over there to see some animals.
Okay, where's your bag? Get your bag before leaving. This is like nice little areas you can sit down and cool off for a minute. Ramses is just chilling. Ramses, why are you so cute? I can't stand all this cuteness, Ramses. Ramses, you're so cute. You guys hear the birds chirping? Like chirpy, 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 chirpy. Aww. It's very relaxing over here. It's very calm, relaxing, peaceful. The birds are chirping. You can hear the waterfall. Anywhere there's a waterfall, it's always relaxing. Very nice. So relaxing. I could just take a nap over here. Not close to the crocodiles, of course. Bamboo?
See what's these are monkeys' names?
Oh. We have what is it? Monkeys?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look. Oh, let me get a little bit closer.
They're bamboos, right?
Take this.
Are they bamboos?
Marmoset.
If you take a picture in front of the monkeys, don't forget to say
These are marmoset monkeys.
hoisty. What is it?
Marmoset. They're marmoset.
No. They say if you take a picture in front of the monkeys, don't forget to say hoisty.
TT.
TT. Hoist TT.
These are so small. They could still get in your bag.
Look at these little.
They're eating like carrots and peas and stuff.
Yeah.
These little munchy cuties.
Oh look. Take picture of it.
You want to take pictures?
No, I'm saying you can take picture of it. No.
Let's take pictures of those monkeys. Take pictures of it.
Wait.
Where's your phone?
I have my phone here. Come, if you want to take pictures. Oh, cute. No, I'm going to take a picture with you, Satai.
I want to take pictures of them.
I'll have them in the background while I take a picture. Come, Satai. Satai's taking pictures of the monkey. Monkeys.
It's like a recreation of Egypt kind of thing. Yeah, that's like an Egyptian creation. All the
There are fish back here?
Oh, look at little frogs.
Oh, mosquito fish. Oh,
Frogs. And
it's the
tadpoles.
mosquito fish pond. Thought it was just croco, but apparently not. Oh, the waterfall. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Oh, look, some frogs here too.
Some frogs?
Yeah, some crickets. They're just
Where?
camouflage.
Oh, they're camouflage?
Yeah, so they can protect themselves from predators.
From predators? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Stay there. Turn around, Satai.
Okay.
Turn around. I tell you to turn around.
Secret passage for kids. There's a little secret passage here, Satai. Satai, there's a little secret passage here for kids.
It's already up there.
Satai on there. Satai's already on the play. On the play. On the trail. Satai, tell me hi. Say hi.
Hi.
I'm wondering if those are papyrus.
Oh, maybe we can ask.
Yeah, papyrus. Look. Papyrus.
Oh,
Yeah.
cut fresh papyrus stem.
Yeah, and these are
Oh,
bamboo. so
maybe
these are
that's where
papyrus,
we. Yeah.
And they make paper. This is where Egypt make paper.
Okay.
So probably a plus of papyrus over there. That's in the water.
We're in a little nice sheltered area,
The
just
bamboo
covered with bamboo.
Yeah. So I think that's a papyrus thing over there.
Yeah. Little bamboo passageway.
There's a papyrus over there.
Yes, Satai? I'm here.
Where?
In the bamboos. Bamboo, bamboo. In the bamboo,
Is
Satai.
there a bathroom?
Bathroom? I don't know.
I need to use the bathroom and then come back.
All right, let's find out where the bathroom is, because you
And then
always need to
come
use the
back
bathroom.
Here,
Okay.
because I just started playing.
You just started playing.
So
Okay.
I need to use the bathroom and come back.
All right. Well, let me find out.
That's fine. I'm gonna push the boy now. I'll leave on the back.
We found the toilet for Satai. Ramses, tell the vlog how much you're enjoying this stroller ride.
He never gets to like.
Ramses is looking like, is this really possible? I get to ride around in a stroller? Mommy and Dada never bring my stroller.
Oh.
Mommy and Dada never bring. I'm right here, sweetie.
I get to go back to playing.
Get to go back to play?
Well, first let me take to the sand pit.
You play in the sand pit? Ramses, you're like, is this really possible? I get to ride around in a limo while they walk?
Daddy.
Huh? Chucky's gonna want to play too.
I
Oh
think I
boy.
found something.
You found what? What did you find, Satai? What did you find? Satai found something. Let's see what it is.
This is the pirate section.
The pirate section.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Ah. Le Repair de Pirates.
Pirate section.
Come. Oh, Satai, look, you can put your head in there and we can take a picture. Go. Oh, about this one? No, but that's female. Oh, you can't get to reach this one? All right, you put your head in there, Dada, and I'll take a picture of you.
I can.
You can reach it, Satai?
Oh, I can stand in it.
Oh, you can stand. Yeah, you can stand.
Come stand in this one. This one is
Oh,
the.
you can stand under.
There's no standing.
Put the stool on this one and stand there.
No, the space.
There's nothing there.
The screw can't come off.
Dada is a pirate today.
Have a big head.
You have a big head?
My big head can go to it.
Ah, let's take a picture of you.
Alright, matey.
My matey. Alright, so tight. Try to go in there. Let Dada put you in there. So tight's climbing. Look at this iguana. Can you see? Satai, check out this iguana climbing over the wall. Whoa, what if he jumps back on me? Oh shoot, I couldn't see them.
There's millions of them.
Wow. Can you guys see? Oh yeah, he's ready for the camera. He's taking. Satai, be careful. Check out this one right here. Oh, another one over here.
They have long tongues. So
They have long tongues?
yeah.
Don't throw anything, Satai. Are you crazy?
At what?
The orange one over there, green one over here.
They change colors.
I know they change colors. Oh, there are huge ones up there, Satai. Look. You see?
Yeah.
On the top.
That beard like saying it's so good.
Yeah. No, don't throw, Satai. You're crazy. Don't throw.
And we can see some turtles too.
Turtles, where are the turtles?
Oh,
Come.
shoot.
Let's find the turtles. There's another one here running. No, I don't want you too close to them, Satai. Check out this guy here. Satai, do not go too close.
Why?
Because you are not even scared of these. Come.
Why?
Where's the turtle farm?
Look, one over there.
Come, let's find the turtle area back there, Satai. Come. Satai, let's go back here, see if the turtles are back here. We found the turtles.
They're very slow.
They're very slow?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, turtles are not that slow.
Yeah. What is the slowest animal?
The sloths.
Sloth?
Yeah.
I think turtles are the second slowest animal, right?
And worms are the. Oh, look, one over there.
Over here, let's see, more turtles.
Whoa, this is so. Whoa.
Oh. More turtles.
Hey, look, one over there.
Yes.
Behind that welts.
There's a well up there. Oh, nice.
Hey, Dada. Yeah.
So, yeah, we saw the iguanas.
And go see the turtles. Oh my gosh,
What?
one's right there.
What?
One's right there.
Iguana?
Yeah.
Alright, so come back.
It's under here.
Come back.
No.
Turn back, Satai.
No, I'm not gonna come back.
Turn back.
See me just.
And he's shaking up his thing.
He's shaking.
He's shaking
Here.
up his legs.
Oh.
This would be dinner.
This is dinner for some people, huh?
Yeah. It's like dinner.
Well,
Like, act like you're swinging on this.
yeah.
Oh.
There's a look.
There you go
Look.
on there.
Look at the iguanas above
Oh, what?
Oral's head.
Run right there. The other one behind you.
There's two above his head.
To where? Where? I don't see.
Wait. Satai, you're swinging on the iguana bridge. What if the iguana passed by? What if one of them passed by? Satai? Swing, let me see. Swing, let me see. Oh, 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 Look at that one up there. All right. Tons and tons of iguanas.
Let's spray some iguanas.
Up close, the view of the waterfall. Baby turtles. Baby turtles. Showing baby snakes. Baby croco. Palms from Mexico.
Come and see the anaconda.
So they bring plants from all over the world
Come and see
here.
the anaconda.
Wait, I'm coming.
Yeah.
Coming to see the anaconda. I actually went there before. Oh my goodness. It is ginormous, this anaconda. Wow. Almost scary even though I'm behind the glass, I must say. Look at that one. Someone tell me why I'm whispering? Look at that. That this one is like wrapped up.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Look at this one.
Wow. Możemy z tobą. Będziemy bezpieczni za szybą.
Oh, she's going in. She's going in. Just kidding. Wow. Come, sweetie, come and look. Come and look, Satai. Come quickly. So this anaconda is moving. He is coming towards us. He is coming towards us. Look how long this thing is. You see, Satar?
Yeah, it's so long and big.
Wow,
Okay.
he's coming right towards us. I'm almost like walking away from the glass. He's displaying.
Wait, one right
He's showing off himself.
One right here. Look, one right here,
I
Mommy.
know that one is resting. This one is trying to move around.
But why are they going slow? This is where you walk.
Yeah. Wow. Where'd it go? You wanna go in there or no?
Yeah, I'll go.
You wanna go? Go on, I'll take a picture.
Like the anaconda.
You wanna go in? Come, look at me now.
These are python, these are not anaconda.
Your python?
It's right there, it's a reticulating python.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, so where the...
Anaconda is probably on the other side.
Oh, these are python. I was wrong all along. The sign said anaconda up there.
Yeah, but they're probably at the back.
Oh.
If they have more. But these specific ones are reticulated python. This one.
Don't go to the one that's moving down there.
Oh, this is anaconda.
That one's anaconda, right?
So, yeah.
Yeah, he was moving towards the hole or the keyhole.
But they shouldn't got out.
I know, but I'm like.
Yeah, so this is anaconda.
Yeah, he was too. Image of a snake charmer
Can I go up there?
with 2 cobra, trying to tame 2 cobra. 2 cobras.
Can I go up there?
No.
Yeah. No, you can't go up there.
Go in there.
This is what they do. We saw them doing this in the square yesterday. Go.
That's it.
That's it? What's in this little hole?
It's so dark, so you can't be able to see.
Yeah.
That's a dead end.
Dead end, okay.
A door is here.
Well, we won't be going through that door. Let's get out of there. Scene of traditional life in Morocco. The snake charmer presents 2 cobras and another one is sticking out of the box. In front of him are the musical instrument that attract the passerby. The artwork is recycled. The artwork in recycled can was created by Hassan Haddad. Hopefully that's how they say their name. Yeah, something is in there, but push the gate to go in, right? Moroccan crocodiles. Okay, I don't know what's in there. Maybe the door will tell us what's in there. Let's see. The giant pit cave? No, it's open soon.
Oh, it's not ready yet.
Yeah, probably not ready.
Why?
I don't know what these plants are.
Why they're not ready?
I don't know. It's not open yet. West African crocodile.
Why?
It just said it's not ready.
African houses over there.
Huh? Oh, traditional African houses?
Brown houses over there. There's the ghost people around there.
Yeah.
I see like something.
It looks like you could actually pass through there. You guys see the traditional houses over there?
Yeah, round houses that normally have a thatch roof.
Yeah, thatch roof. Then if I can
Mommy, is there any animals in there?
put your head through this CrocoPark thing. Let me take a picture. Go.
Put your head through that.
Oh, that one is actually moving in the water.
Oh, put your head through that.
Can you guys see that croco swimming? This one is actually coming out the water.
Oh, let's go.
Notice how his color is different? He just came out the water. When they're in the sun, this is what they look like.
I could think.
Satai, you let me all hide.
These are all the snake charmers.
And you did not go down.
All the snake charmers. I know this guy. Snake. Python.
It looks like it's too low for me. He's up and down.
Okay, great. You guys did a good job. Good job.
I have to just stand and do it for Satai.
You guys did a good job.
All right, let's. Not even real.
Wow.
This is in the mouth.
Bite.
Oh my goodness! Listen to this one, like bite. It should just bite you. Look,
Bite.
it came through this little tunnel area. When we came out, this croco was actually has his mouth wide open. Look, this isn't the mouth of an actual crocodile. Oh my god! You guys see him breathing?
I think it's more hard than Ramses.
If you look closely, you can see him breathing. Wait, Seta, I want to get this.
It's more hard than Ramses
You
biting.
could actually see him breathing. I could put my phone.
But I could put my finger there and I could miss it. I could try it. My finger in.
This wasn't on there. I could put the camera right here.
You can still put it there.
But I'm gonna lean, turn it around. It's fine. Oh, look at the mouth of a crocodile. Look at this. This is an actual crocodile. Look, that's his body right there.
Dada, no.
Oh my god, I think he's posing for us. That's crazy. Look at his teeth. They almost look fake. But if you look closely, you can see that he's breathing. You see? You see? He's actually breathing. Oh, but it looks so fake. Wow, I've never been this close to a crocodile. Oh my god, and his eyes are open right there. Look. He's looking at me like, wow.
Another one is behind there.
Wow.
I want to see.
It's not open.
You see the red and so stuff.
See its eyes. Let me up to see its eyes.
This is the closest I've been to a crocodile.
Go here.
Go up there, Satan, you can see clearly.
I can't see its eyes.
Doe maar. Ik vind het vast heel leuk.
Hi, Satan.
No, I can't see its eyes.
Go up there and you see those.
Heb je glas टूट गया खत्म है.
Look at this one teeth right here. Wow. Open up your teeth. Open up your mouth.
I am.
ये ना ये देख.
Look at this.
ओपन करा हुआ है.
His mouth is wide open and I'm right there. Look.
I'm right there.
Look. Oh, sorry.
See? Does he have a tongue?
How close I am. So we're just walking through the gift shop. We're exiting actually, and they have all this stuff. Keepsake. You can buy a gift. Sata, we're not buying that, okay? Yeah, there's a lot of stuff you can buy. Yes, this is the gift shop. And Ramses, time to return the stroller.
Push me in a wheelchair.
Next time I push you in a wheelchair?
Yes.
Why?
Because I need some.
No, I don't think so. No, it's not good to use a wheelchair if you don't really need it.
Why not?
No way, no.
Use it at the airport.
No, I think it's bad luck if you do that.
We do what?
Ramses, will you say mercy? Will you say mercy?
Will we say?
For the stroller ride?
Will we say what?
I'm telling Ramses to say thank you.
No, what we eat what?
We done?
Yes, we're all done. Say bye-bye. Say bye, say au revoir. Thank you. We're exiting the croco's mouth. See all the teeth here? And Satai's ending exactly where we started. Isn't that something?
You might go to the goats and the...
And that's the end of our CrocoPark tour.
You might go and see some goats in the trees. We saw that the other day, but you guys didn't see.
I know.
I'm a bit poor, so...
I know, you're getting sick. You always get sick when you travel, huh?
No,
I have the best immune system. I do not get sick. I'm just kidding. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did. Oh my god, those crocodiles were so big. Right, Satai? Yeah.
Ramses probably won.
Ramses, look what Ramses is doing now.
Humongous.
They were humongous?
Yeah, they
Wow.
were bigger than
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching our show. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye.
Sit on your
That's
trip.
enough videos.